Well, vaccines are readily available now to anyone 16 plus across the country, and it's really important that people get vaccinated. Frankly, you hear a lot of this term of herd immunity. We don't get there until we have at least, 75, 80% of people getting the vaccine, and yet still there are people that are hesitant. That is why Silver Summit Health Plan and the NFL Pro Football Hall of Fame are joining forces to get the word out.
That's right. You will be seeing them get the word out. But at first, Dr. Jeff Morawski is here. He's the Chief Medical Officer with Silver Summit Health Plan. He's on the show. He's going to tell us about this sponsorship, this partnership, rather. Hey, this is fun. Tell us all about the campaign.
Yeah, it's a great thing. So Silver Summit Health Plan with our parent company Centene is partnering with the NFL Pro Football Hall of Fame to do a PSA campaign to help raise awareness about the safety and the importance of getting a COVID-19 vaccine. The campaign's focus is really around those communities that are disproportionately impacted by COVID, particularly communities of color. So Silver Summit's engaging with members to get this vaccine. We're going to be bringing in an NFL Pro Football Hall of Famer to help us do some PSAs.
Which is pretty cool. Anytime you can get the NFL behind you, not going to be the worst thing in the world. Let's talk. I mean, obviously, this PSA campaign is here to kind of dispel some of the worries that people have about the vaccine. I've gotten both of my shots. JJ, you got both of your shots. Doctor, you got both of yours? We're good.
Yep. You bet.
When you see in the news, the Johnson & Johnson, there's 6 people with blood clots, I think a lot of attention gets put to that. But in the grand scheme of things, I mean, you have like a 20% shot of getting blood clots if you get COVID-19 compared to a fraction of a percent with Johnson & Johnson.
Yeah. So we're really hoping by bringing Anthony Munoz in. He's an offensive tackle from the Cincinnati Bengals, played a long time with them, one of the great offensive tackles. I can't think of anybody to clear the path better than him. To really kind of put that message out, right, that it's safe and it's effective, and we do it for ourselves, but we also do it for others in our lives that are important for them to get the vaccine to protect our families. It's a great thing. He's going to be out doing this in the community. We got to get to herd. If we get to that herd you talked about, really 80%, then we can start to open up Nevada more, and that's really what we want to do.
Of course.
I love it. We got to get to herd. It's like some good doctor shorthand right there. I like that a lot.
Yeah.
It's good. I also think it's relevant to mention that the Hall of Famer Anthony Munoz is a graduate of my alma mater, USC. Sean, no USC jokes. Thank you very much. But one of the great things you're trying to do, doctor, and I know that even where you're at here in Vegas, how important this is to get this message out to people in communities of color. That is a part of your goal right now.
It is. Unfortunately, the vaccine rates in people of color is around 6%.
Wow.
The percent of people of color who got COVID is disproportionately 2 or 3% higher than everybody else. And their percent chance of dying from COVID was 2 or 3% higher than that. So that disparity is really important for us to get a handle on, get the message out, get them vaccinated. As was said, right? The vaccines are available. Now we just got to get people to get there. We got to help them get there and get their vaccine so we can, get to that 80%, open up the community and get things moving forward.
Yeah, no question about it. And that hesitancy is there because of things that have happened in the past when it comes to communities of color and vaccinations and other, frankly, tests that were done on them and their people and their ancestors. This is not that. And frankly, there are people of color that helped in the development of these vaccines.
Yeah. It took everybody, some of our best scientists and thinkers across the healthcare sphere to get this done. And yep, we have to overcome, the past and what we haven't done right. And hopefully this can be the first episode where we do it right and we make sure we get to everybody. We want to get over that, particularly those communities most impacted.
Well, there's the vaccine, and then there's just a lot of attention to our own personal health over the past year and a half. Now we're looking at a Silver Summit Health Plan offers some really unique opportunities for its patients right here in Nevada. Tell us a little bit about the plan and why people might be drawn to it.
Silver Summit's a health plan that provides quality insurance to the people of Nevada. We do Medicaid, Medicare, and the Marketplace, Obamacare. The Medicare is in its open enrollment from April 1st through June 30th, and then the Marketplace plans are still open till May 15th. I have to always check because I keep extending that
It's
one.
very,
And so they keep
They
changing
do.
that one. But it's an opportunity to get that coverage, to take care of ourselves, to really make, this year, that year, we do all those preventative things we need to do to take ourselves forward, right? COVID, we can knock this out. We get that herd immunity. We all get our shots. We get our community to get our shots. And we can focus on then making our community healthier and doing the other stuff we haven't done.
everyone that said, let's just get back to normal. Here's our chance. Doctor, it's great to
Yeah.
have you. Thank you for joining us.
Great to be
Thanks,
here.
Dr. Jeff.
All right. If you want to learn more about Silver Summit Health Plan, visit silversummithealthplan.com and keep your eye out for those PSAs coming to a TV and to probably a pre-roll ad somewhere on the internet near you. Silver Summit Health Plan, a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.